So what should you watch on Netflix this month? Here's a list of the biggest movies and series releasing this March that you should keep an eye on. The second season of Bridgerton, Netflix's biggest English language original, is scheduled to premiere on the 25th of March. We already know that breakout star Regé-Jean Page's character will not appear in season 2. Instead, this season will focus on the love story of Viscount Anthony Bridgerton, played by Jonathan Bailey. Simone Ashley is joining the cast as his potential love interest, Kate Sharma. Kate's young sister, Edwina Sharma, will be played by Karitra Chandran. The Adam Project, set to release on the 11th of March, reunites Free Guy director Shawn Levy with star Ryan Reynolds. In it, Reynolds' protagonist Adam Reed travels back in time to get help from his younger self to confront their late father, played by the Hulk himself, Mark Ruffalo. The fourth season of the gripping motorsport docuseries will also be released on the 11th of March. The new season will launch 1 week prior to the start of the 2022 season opener in Bahrain. Unfortunately, the current F1 champion Max Verstappen hasn't given out any interviews for the fourth season, as he thinks that makers faked a few rivalries which don't really exist. Still, the 2021 season was one of the most exciting ones in recent memory, so motorsport fan or not, you definitely want to see this one. The only Indian series on this list, it is set to be released on the 18th of March. The series is about 24-year-old Ray, played by Vihant Samath, who is navigating life with the help of his inner voice. Confused between sex, love and a relationship, the protagonist goes through a lot of work-life misadventures, which makes him eternally confused and eager for love. Jim Sarab, Rahul Bose, Suchitra Pillai and Ankur Rathi will also be in the series. There's a lot more to look out for this month on Netflix, including Emily in Paris' Lily Collins in Windfall and Game of Thrones' Nikolai Costa-Waldau in Against the Ice. Check out the full list by heading to the link in the description. We'll be back soon with another list next month. Till then, stay tuned to Gadgets 360 for all things tech and pop culture.